Namaste. Today we will learn about the image formation by the cave mirror only through number layer. The position of object is as follows. The object at 1 represents object at infinity, 2 means beyond C, 3 at C, 4 between C and F, 5 at F, 6 between F and B.
Now I'm going to explain about image formation below principal axis in the form of numbers. When the object is at 1, the image will be formed at focus, which is number 1. When the object is at 2, the image will be formed between C and F, which is number 2. When the object is at 3, the image will also be formed at 3, which is at C. When the object is between C and F, which is number 4, the image will be formed beyond C, which is number 4. When the object is at focus, the image will be formed at infinity.
Now I am going to explain the nature of the images formed from first to fifth, which is real and inverted. At first, which is focus, the image is formed point-sized. At 2, it is diminished. At 3, it is same-sized. At 4, it is enlarged. And at 5, it is highly enlarged. The sixth case is the only case in which the object is placed between F and T and the image is formed behind the mirror and the image is virtual, erect and enlarged. Thank you.